Hello, and welcome to my third and final video on crazy formulas. So let's jump right into example number 3. As you can see, there's a big crazy formula that we're going to use. Monthly mortgage payments can be found using that crazy formula. We're told exactly what each part of the formula is. M is our monthly payment, P is the amount borrowed, R is the annual interest rate, and N is equal to the number of monthly payments. Then we have that the Banks family qualified for an annual interest rate of 4.8%. If they would like a 20-year mortgage, algebraically determine to the nearest cent how much money the banks would need to borrow in order to have a monthly payment of no more than $720. So once again, what we'll perhaps do here is identify what each part of this formula is, put it all together, and then answer the question. So M again is the monthly payment, and if we look down here, this $720 is what they want the monthly payment to be, no more than that $720. So M then is equal to $720. P is the amount borrowed. We're being asked to determine how much money the Banks family would need to borrow. So in this problem, the P, the amount borrowed, is our unknown. So I'll put X in for P. R is the annual interest rate. We were told that was 4.8%. As always, when we put that percent into our problem, we need to convert that into a decimal. And as a decimal, 4.8% would be 0.048. And N is the number of monthly payments. We have to be careful. This is a 20-year mortgage, so if payments are made every month of the year over 20 years, that means that the total number of monthly payments would be the 20 years times 12 months in a year, and 20 times 12 gives us 240. So now that we know what each part of this formula should be, we can plug that all in. So I'll write here that M, right, is equal to 720. And that should equal our P, which is unknown. So I'll write X times parentheses our R value of 0.048. And that's over 12. In that first parentheses of our numerator, and then we have another parentheses of 1 plus R, again of 0.048. That also is over 12. And the second parentheses needs to be raised to the value of N, which is 240. And that's just the numerator of our right side of our equation. The denominator, we have another parentheses, once again, with 1 plus R of 0.048 over 12. And once again, this parentheses also needs to raise that value of N of 240. And then we just need to subtract 1 in that denominator. So we have our formula set up, and we have to carefully solve for X. What I would highly recommend we do, because essentially all of this over here is just all numbers, and they're being multiplied, we're dividing. You can plug all these values, all these numbers in this boxed in region into your calculator all at once to calculate what that's equal to. And if you carefully do that, which you need to be able to do, if you carefully plug that all into your calculator, you should get a value of 0.00648954747. And that's what we have then be multiplied to the X. And to solve for X, we just need to divide both sides by this crazy long decimal, 0.0064895,747 on both sides. And when you do that, you should get that x equals $110,947.18. And that's how much money that they would need to borrow so that they would have monthly payments of no more than $720. As always, I hope this video helped you out, and thank you for watching all my videos. Have a great night. Take care.